It's your boy, Famous Animal TV. Hottest shit in the streets. When you trying to get your shit in the streets, need you to come holler at me, man. Well, I got in the building with me.
Tip Teezy BT, man.
Real talk. Where you coming from, my boy?
Eutawville, South Carolina.
Talk, you got that hot shit for me?
Got that hot shit, man.
Let's go.
Young Rock.
Ooh-wee.
Tip Teezy BT, man. I make warehouse music, how I got them loaders coming in. I can't work the ticket till the second time you come with 10. Pistol in the party, they done see me in the club again. Might be bad as hell, but mostly bad bitches struggling. Get it through the ego track and we be smuggling. It done been a money, you can't even spend a dub again. Going for the triple, getting bored out with the doubling. Flush them out with more every time I done got tired of the double, fuck it, let me get the triple. Gave my dog a better ticket, say he got some room to wiggle. I done double cut the pop, I flip it out and watch it. I was thinking shit was funny, but she like the way I don't got some way hoe could these bitches be. I'ma fuck the bitch once and then shit to mine. I don't got time to chill with your face in her. I'ma bust down a brick and make play like a. They be fairy tale rapping this song like they slide. He know that his whole quick cut with no. When the flippers we bought it like up. Let go. Bitch told me she had enough today. I bought them bus today. Her little one slick talking in songs. I went and bought another case. She counting 220. Say she can't even concentrate. Spit that bread with him a couple times. He getting robbed today. I make warehouse music. How I got them loaders coming in. I can't work the ticket till the second time you come with 10. Pistol in the party. They done see me in the club again. Might be bad as hell, but mostly bad bitches struggling. Get it through the ego, check the track and we be smuggling. It done been a money, you can't even spend a dub again. Going for the triple, getting doubling. Flush them out with more every time a nigga double it. Charges and challenges, everything be capital. Ain't stun this hoe, she bad, but on my dick just like a catheter. I only fuck with gang cause most these niggas out here cap is for 100K a jury. This a bankroll, tell them. Gotta show me you low, you ain't. You'll take water and me come back with her. It's like 7, 8 niggas around me with her. Got a triple that number around me with a pole. Chopping it up with my partner. Talk about switching it up cause this shit getting old. I ain't pressed by no threat cause they know that we come. I just made a play, still one new. I told this bitch to fuck me back and get aggressive with that cat. I'ma beat her out, treat that little kitty like a pet. And these niggas know what's up with me. I pull up in all black. Who else gon' walk down off the dome and do her on the track? I make warehouse music, how I got them loaders coming in. I can't work the ticket till the second time you come with 10. Pistol in the party, they done see me in the club again. Might be bad as hell, but mostly bad bitches struggling. Get it through the ego, check the track and we be smuggling. It done been a money, you can't even spend a dub again. Going for the triple, getting bored out with the doubling.